The computers, the technology that is brought to this center today will help everyone. We have moved to a digital age. There are very few things anymore that get done via the mail, get done in hand, or even trying to find a person is impossible. Therefore, having access to technology, improving computer skills is not a luxury. It's not a nice to have. It's an absolute necessity in today's world, and it's only going to be more important. So to be part of an event like this with the leadership from Councilman Lee's office and from the parish, we couldn't be more happy to be a partner that's moving to help both the East Bank and the West Bank, our communities, move forward to ensure mutual prosperity for all.